Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to show you my own product research method that I have used since 2021 when I started, and that method works still till today. Unlike other methods that gurus teach you, my method doesn't require to subscribe to any app or website basically, so it's totally free, you don't need to pay anything. And I'm also going to show you a bonus Facebook hack that can help you to increase your profit within 24 hours and only 24 hours guys. But before I start the video, I just wanted to mention that we are doing a 45 minutes free consultation call every week. If you wanted to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to the channel, smash the like button and comment down below Ecom Persian 2022. So without further ado, let's just hop onto the content. Okay guys, so as you can see here, we are at my screen, and for this strategy, in order to work, you only need one tool, which is a Google extension called My Ad Finder. You can just go to the Google extension guys and just type My Ad Finder and just download this here, which I have already done it myself here as you can see. And then you need to go to Facebook guys and just refresh your screen and turn this on. Basically you need to turn this on. As you can see here, I have already found 11 ads that I liked, so you can just save it as well. So let me just show you how this works. So refreshing the screen now. So you can see here we're going to only see ads now beside this one, I believe. Yeah, so you can see here it's just coming down ads like in different countries. As you can see here, 368 likes, 30,000 likes, 700 likes, and basically all of these products are currently selling 16,000 likes. You can see guys, it never ends. It just scroll down and just keeps coming. And at the beginning my Facebook profile didn't look like this, like basically the feed doesn't look like it. You have to train Facebook in order so that they can see you as a engaged shopper. And when you have seen in a Facebook eyes as an engaged shopper, Facebook just going to show you the winning products that are currently selling now very hot within that niche that you are mostly active in. So for example, if you're interested in a beauty niche, so all you need to do is just find some beauty niche ads and go to the website and engage with them, so as I'm going to show you right now, but more on that later. So you can see here I am just seeing winning products here. You can see from the likes and engagement, and I'm not even doing that much. Like just Facebook is just showing me everything, 2,000 likes, and I will just like them if I see like some value in it, and then I will check it later. If it checks out all my criteria, then I give it a try in order to see. You can see 5,000 likes and etc. So in order for us to be seen as a Facebook engaged shopper, we need to do a couple of steps which I'm going to explain to you right now. So after seeing the ad in your feed, you need to engage with it. You need to like the ad. If you want, you can comment on it. It's not really necessary. And then you will go to the website from here. So let's just see. Okay, this is, I believe, a Shopify website. Hopefully, yeah, this is a Shopify website. You can see here we have our pixel helper as well that shows that we have been triggered by a content viewers right now in the website. So we're going to go to the next step here and just see which one we want to choose. We just go to add to cart. So now you can see this is add to cart section is going to be green right now. So it says that we have done add this product to the add to cart, and from here we go to the next step, which will be the checkout process. Okay, when you come to here, I want you to right click on the screen and then go to inspect. When you go to inspect, you click on console here, and you want this box here to write something, which I'm going to show you what. So I have a code which I will leave it down below in the description below. You only need to copy this code and then paste it here, which I'm going to do it for you right now. So you can see this is the code which we will have. You don't need to change anything basically here. The only thing that you need to change is the price tag, and that's not really important either, but you can change it to the same price that you see. Basically this 36, we can put it just 39.99, something like that. And you can see here the Facebook pixel helper, we have only 5, basically initiate checkout and page view. But after pasting this code here, you can see here this changed to 6, and now we are seen by Facebook as a purchaser, right? So we just purchased this product on the eyes of Facebook. So in Facebook eyes, we are an engaged shopper. But keep in mind that you need to do this process a couple of times guys in order for it to take it effect perfectly and just for Facebook to show you the best of the winning products that is currently selling now. So you don't need to subscribe to any app, subscribe to any website. You don't need to pay any monthly fee in order to see the top winning products. This method is basically very free and is time efficient, so you can just do it and just go scroll down in your Facebook, you know, engage with the ads that you already see, and your Facebook will definitely show you more. But if you're interested in a like specific niche, all you need to do is just come here, like for example like dog product, dogs, or you can write down, you can come here and search the product name. Basically we can just go with dog toy, something like that, just simple. And then you will go to the video section, and then you will try to find just one ad for this product here. I believe this is the ad, or this can be an ad. And after you find the ad, you just click on the video, you just go to the website and just do the same process. After you've done that, Facebook will see you the engage shopper with that product, and now you don't need to look up the product anymore. Facebook will show it to you in your Facebook feed, which will make the process, guys, much easier. Trust me, I have been using this method basically from the first day that I started, and like this method is very time efficient and just shows you everything. You don't need to subscribe to any app or anything. It just comes in front of your eyes. You don't need to choose. You can see here 3,000 likes, 1,000 like, it just never ends, guys. So you're going to see all the winning products. This is another winning product, 16,000 likes. So yeah, we all see winning products here, guys. Okay guys, so now I want to show you the method that you can use in order to increase your Facebook ads profitability within only 24 hours. So in order to do that, you need to open just new tab and just write down the Facebook's access token, and then choose that, and then the first link that pops up, choose that link please, access token guide. And then you will come to this screen in here. So you have to make a developer account, and here you will choose the option that describes you the best. I'm going to go with the marketer, and we go complete registration. And guys, after that you will come to the screen like this. So guys, so when you come to this screen, you need to create an app. So we come here and we create app, and then it comes to this screen right here. You will choose it for business, and then we will click next. And the display name doesn't matter, it can name whatever you want it to be. You can name it YouTube, you can name it YouTube 1 basically, yeah, YouTube 1. And then the email is the same email that you have for the profile, and the business manager account, you will choose your business manager. Okay, perfect. And then you will create app. Okay, so after you created the app, you will come to the screen looking like this. I want you then go to tools right here, and then click on that, and after that you will click on Graph API Explorer, guys, and then you will come to this screen right here. So when you come to this screen, make sure the app is the app that you made, which is for us YouTube 1. Okay guys, so after you get this code, we're going to use another address to copy this code with that, and when we do that, we're going to get tons of free interest that Facebook does not show it to you. So let me just explain. So here I am in one of my ad accounts, guys, basically. So as you can see in here, we have health and wellness interest, right? And this interest have only around 1.2 million audiences in it. And at the beginning, when you start, your pixel doesn't have that much of a data, so it doesn't know what to target basically. And when you're giving it the interest, you're making that like audiences much narrower, so it helps you much better, right? But still 1.2 million is too much. But when even you are trying to scale, you need more interest. And when we click on suggestions here, and this is all the Facebook is going to give you, and some of them are not even like related to that, right? So it's just some random suggestions that Facebook will give you, and without this, after this, you're limited. You don't know how many more interest, right? So with this strategy that I'm going to basically show you right now, it's going to remove this for you. So all you need to do is, guys, come here, copy this right here, and then this will be provided for you down below in the description, guys. You will paste this in front of the access token, and for everyone is separate. And here, this is the interest that you want to target, right? So for us, it's dogs right now. You can change it to the separate interest that you want to, and then you will copy everything here, and then you will open a new tab, and then you will paste it. So after you paste it, you will get a screen like this, which will show you thousands interest for dog that you can see. For example, you can see here dogs size lowered to this much, and you can see here interest dog pets, and you can see other one British band, you can see puppy, you can see German Shepherd, you can see all of these interests that you cannot find in Facebook. Facebook doesn't recommend to you because the Facebook suggestion tab is limited, right? But this is not limited, and you can basically change this to a couple of criteria. For example, let me show you locale en. For example, if you're in Sweden, you can use this as a SE, then it will show you the best interests that are in Sweden. So we will just leave it at en for now, and then sorry for that, we will just leave it at en for now. And then you can have also the audience limited. So you can see here it says audience should be more than 1,000, or is it 10,000? Yeah, so you can make this 5,000, and Facebook will show you all of the audiences that have 5,000 5,000 audience in them, like all of the interests that have 5,000 interests in them. So with this tool, guys, you can just basically do everything. So for example, if I change this to something else, which was, what was it, health and wellness, so I can just change it maybe to self-love, or I can just go with health and wellness here. So we can just change it, paste, and then you can just like this, and we can just copy this here and paste it. So you will see you here, so you can see lookalikes of health and wellness, how much this is, and basically you can see for Facebook as well how many interests that you will get here. So this is very limited, but this is basically limitless. So you can just go down and down, and we can see like the interests that are related to health and wellness, but it's not recommended. For example, School of Nursing and Health Studies, we have all these interests here. Like, guys, you can see in a primary cancer trust, and I've never seen like this interest before. So you can see here this method is very useful. Another thing like everybody basically talks about that is very untapped. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, guys. I hope you can use this method to basically unlock more interest for your store. For testing, you can use this method in order to find the smaller related interests that have smaller size audiences. So Facebook pixel is easier to navigate, right? Because it doesn't have any data. And for scaling, when you're scaling, for example, me, I've been scaling a brand for more than 1.5 years now, and like basically we run off interest. I've tested all of the interests for that niche that I'm in. I've tested other interests within that niche, but after that, like I was like, okay, there's no more interest, like I need to scale this more, I need to test more basically. Then I came across this method which I found, and I'm trying to teach it to you guys so you can use it for your own brands as well, so you can find untapped interests. Okay guys, so this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button, and see you next time.